Part time!
Happy birthday! I hope you have a fantastic day filled with joy, laughter, and all your favorite things. May this year bring you immense happiness and success. Welcome to our wild adventure. We are so thrilled to have you join us on this incredible journey through the Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, and follow us on our journey.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us create more content for everyone to enjoy.
Thank you.
Why did the banana go to the doctor?
Because it wasn't peeling well.
Happy birthday to you! A special day for a wonderful person. We all wish you the very best on this
Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this.
In the heart of the savannah, where the sun kisses the earth, every moment is a whip of nature's endless.
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, and follow us on our journey.